I need a freaking belt.
You know, I watched a random fucking.
I'm taking shots over here, guys.
I'm coming towards you. I watched a random PUBG video today. There's this dude.
Oh my god.
Where
Just-
are you?
2 people on me at church.
You don't go to
I
church.
was running away from them, but there was 2 of them.
So-
Coming.
So is this dude talking about dropping a pachinki, and how if you're dropping in pachinki as a squad, you should never run towards gunfire.
Yeah, fuck that.
Yeah, I shut that video off super fast.
Holy shit.
Guy on me. 2 guys on me. I think they might be the smoke killers. It's very possible. What the fuck? Give away my goddamn position. You fucking serious? You fucking asshole. I'm sneaking up on the guy, and you fucking shoot him?
He shot him with you want to know what he shot?
To the right, to the right, to the right, to the right. To your right, Bishop. There's a guy coming towards me. He's at the little house, little turquoise house. I missed like 4 times, by the way.
He was not
He's on Bishop. He's on Bishop.
He didn't deserve that.
Kill that fucker, Blunts. Good job. He's... Yeah. Alright.
Nice.
Good job. At least we can rely on
So
someone.
Bishop took a single shot with an Uzi at him.
Are you fucking serious? Get me up, Blunts.
Don't do that. Don't.
Yeah,
Don't get him
yeah,
up.
definitely get me up.
Don't get him up. Poony, stop. What are you doing?
And that's what I think about that.
Much for reviving him.
Can't believe you did that.
When someone is sneaking up on someone, A, you don't take shots. B, you definitely don't take shots with a fucking Uzi from 2 fucking miles away.
What?
I was trying to headshot him.
He was on single
Yeah,
shot.
you were gonna
Oh, it was on.
definitely-
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. He didn't explain you were on single shot. Okay, that's okay. I wish I could revive you because I
It
feel
was
bad now.
It was completely intentional.
Of course it was. You know what? Just for good measure. Oh, your body's not there. Where your body was.
Yeah. You should save that clip.
I'm gonna hunt you at night, no?
Good.
You should definitely save that clip.
Kill your fucking ghost as well.